Wow, that's a nice fish. That is a beauty. Oh, he got off. Getting off. Light breeze, but steady. Picking up. I love these high boots on here. They're very light. I can set off and stow just about anywhere. So 1:30 and we are heading out. With the daydreams. Oh yeah. I gotta duck my head in. Tricky coming out of here. Switched over to a worm here. All right, I switched over. Oh, that's a big pickerel. No, that's a big bass. Whoa. Switched over to the worm. That's a beauty. It's probably not as big as the one that got away, but that. So I'm just coming through here. I'm gonna work a cove I've never seen before and a piece of shoreline I never fished before on the way back. And then I might finish where I had those pickerel the other day. But this is like a real big water, and not too far, but probably about a 20-minute row. I'm gonna get going, and if I see anything, I'm gonna like here. Could spend half the day just moving. And that's what we're kind of doing today. Fish ain't active, but it sure is pretty back here. I'm gonna fish around here just a little bit. I'm not feeling it. It is out of the wind. Real pretty. I don't see no swirls or nothing though. Ooh, something up there. These fish just love these wraps. So I'm gonna work a little back. I want to get something in this cove before I left. Checked out some unknown. Checked out some known, checked out some unknown. So I came out to the semi-known, and I had fish here the other day. So I'm gonna see if I can pull something up. So think about setting the anchor if we get any positive results. So we'll see. Oh, whoa. Whoa, that's a big bass. Oh man, that's a nice fish. And he took that big old rapper. Wow! He almost took me on the oar. Oh my goodness. That is a beauty. Spraying water in the boat. Oh goodness. See where he's at. Oh, watch out, watch out. That's a nice fish. He just grabbed that rapala. Ooh, don't want to get hooked. See what we're hanging on. There we go. My goodness, that is a nice fish. About 3 pounds. Let's get him going. Well, I came back in here. I'm gonna drop that anchor. I'll tell you what's going on here. I think that there's some sawbelly out there. They're kind of in and out. There's a squirrel. There's definitely activity. There's a point over here, a gravel point. There's a weed line that runs through here. There is a, if I vertigo, canal kind of in there. There's a point over there. There's a big carp swimming around in there. But there is a ton a fish holding structure in this small little junction. And if it was windy out, I'd definitely be anchored up today. I worked a bit of water. I tried some new water. Went to some water I kind of knew. Started at some water I knew. And here, this is starting to fish this a bit harder. We had everything here. Largemouth bass, pickerel, and crappie. There's a fish. I don't know what it is. Got weeds. Or maybe he get off. Oh yeah, it's a fish. I don't know what he is yet. Oh, that's a big crappie. The biggest one I got out of here yet. It's a nice big crappie. Doesn't seem too bad. That's a nice big crappie. It's a keeper, but it's 8, about 11, 12 inches. They get a lot bigger. Oh! Ah, that's a nice pickerel. Oh boy. Working today. Got everything on. He will get himself off. I just want my lure back. Go down. Load up like a zipper. Hold up the anchor, I kind of like drifting around. One. Two. And that's the top one. Not as bad as it may look. It's a little hard getting treble hooks out like that. So I'm going to finish off in the cove that I fished before it gets dark. I didn't call it. Pretty interesting day. Seen a bit and caught a bit. Right, that's a nice fish. Oh my goodness, it's a nice pickerel. Oh boy, I don't know how he got me. Wow, he got a lot of power to him. Oh, let me get him without the net. Oh, that's a nice fish. Tail that boy. We'll do this at home. Slow down. Okay, we'll get you. Boy, he took that like a bass. You got it. Whoa, slow down. And bent out one of those hooks. Oh man. really had some. Took over like a bandit. Yeah, I took that really good, but we got it. Yeah, just took that like a bass and came rocketing out of the air. I think he bent out my hook. Needs to be sharpened. Whoa. All in all, not so much a bad day. Some decent bass. I think the one I dropped was over 4 pounds. 2 pound bass, 3 pound bass. Some decent pickerel, big old crappie, and definitely had to work for the fish today with the raffle and minnow. I'm getting out of here. Thanks for watching.